Yeah.
formula, the formula is on the back of this, and I should have put it on the board. It is I to the third power. So again, like I said, I'm an academic nerd. Uh, intention, if you know your intention and you have integrity, that is, you stand in your truth as you know it at that time. And the third eye is impermanence. What does that mean? That means that mountains decay, trees fall down, the world was flat, now it's round. Everything is impermanent. That doesn't trivialize it. It just means that when a change comes along, we don't personalize it. It's just a part of the process. So you have an intention. My intention was to be with you at 11 o'clock. I hope I can stand in my integrity and be my honest and truthful self with you. And whatever thoughts I may have had about what was going to happen may or may not come to pass. Plus, compassion. So I have compassion for the fact that I don't have control under all of the variables. I have compassion that I may be attached to that intention and it's proven to not be a wholesome one. That would be disappointing. So I have compassion for that. I can have compassion for the fact that I had wrong information and I wasn't truthful, but I wasn't distruthful, but the information was wrong. So I have compassion for that. And I have compassion for the fact that she may not want to know about it, whatever wonderful thing I'm trying to tell you. And here's the kicker, minus attachment to outcome. Now that's hard because we've been taught our whole life, young lady, if you get A's, you can go to the fair on Saturday. If you do this, you'll get that. So you're attached to an outcome. What happens if I get attached to an outcome? Might I compromise my integrity? You know, will I get caught with the idea that that's the way it's supposed to be and I can't change because it's permanent? Young lady, you made your bed, now you sleep in it. Well, yeah, but things happened. There were changes in my plans, and don't give me excuses. Excuses as if understanding was a negative. So to be truly happy, you should know what you're doing and have an intention. You should be able to live with yourself for your actions and your words, so you're truthful. And you have a sense of humor about how totally vulnerable you are because life is going to change around you. And have compassion about that process so that the outcome, whatever it is going to be what it's going to be. And baby, you ain't in charge.
That part.
So stick to the process.